Hey everybody, welcome back to My Gardening Habit. I'm Rob Mayer and I just want to answer a couple quick questions. Notably, Abdul and Hope Channel Cat were asking if I added tape or paint to the PVC ribs on the greenhouse. I had no clue what they were talking about at first. Did a little bit of research. Apparently there's an issue between the PVC and the polyethylene sheeting, that when the PVC is hit by UV rays, it gases off and will damage and corrode the poly sheeting. So some people paint the ribs, some people wrap them. I'm going to leave a link in the description below to show you another video that I found of somebody who had theirs up for about 5 years before finding out about the problem, and it ate right through the plastic. I'll show you right now what ours is looking like, and I guess talk about what my plans are to mitigate the issue. So you can see here that there is some haziness on the poly sheeting. It's mainly around areas that are directly contacting the PVC, and then areas that aren't contacting, there's really nothing there. You see down the line where it's been rubbing on here. I actually noticed this initially and thought that it was due to the PVC rubbing on the sheeting in the wind, but after being prompted by a couple questions on here, it seems that it's actually the PVC gassing off. So I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do. I'm thinking I may just wrap the ribs with something. That would probably be the easiest thing. I could probably just push them up and slide something between and zip tie it on. The gentleman in the video I'm going to link in the description, he took weed barrier cloth and just wrapped it around and zip tied it. So I think that if I had known about this beforehand, I probably would have painted all the ribs. Probably would have been the easiest way to go about it, but they're up, so I'm thinking I'll just slide something between them. So I thought about just letting it go. It's already up. Doing this, you know, this whole thing's an experiment anyway. So just kind of seeing how long it really will take to deteriorate and kind of report back. But I don't know. I think I'm gonna try to do something to stop it. It's probably the better move. But I really appreciate the comments questioning it. Again, I had no idea about it, so thank you for pointing that out. And anybody who does have, you know, some sort of comment or question, feel free to ask it. If it's something that I can answer in a video, I will. If it's something that's just quick enough to type out, I'll do that. Yeah. Thank you very much. Take care.